Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Xbox 360 can accept USB input and that you have either a wired keyboard and mouse or a GNOME-compatible adapter. Plug the keyboard into a front or back USB port, then connect the mouse. If using an adapter, follow its orientation. Once done, power the console on and watch for cursor movement or keyboard input at the dashboard. If the dashboard doesn't respond, make sure ports have power and try a different USB port before proceeding. You next verify functionality across the dashboard and in supported games. Move the mouse to check cursor response, then type in messaging or the browser to confirm keyboard mapping. Once done, launch a game that supports keyboard and mouse. Remember, many Xbox 360 games lack native support, so adapters may emulate controller inputs. Make sure to adjust mouse sensitivity through the adapter or game options, test primary and secondary clicks, scroll wheel, and key remaps so controls feel natural. You finish by tidying connections, confirming power stability, and saving any adapter or game settings. If your adapter has firmware, update it via PC, then reconnect to ensure compatibility. Once done, play briefly to validate latency and button mapping. If things go wrong, swap USB ports and try a different keyboard or mouse to isolate hardware faults. Also test the devices on a PC to rule out defects. If input still fails, power cycle the console and re-establish connections before retrying gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.